Ndewonu. Welcome back to my channel, Learn Igbo with High Center. Have you ever heard of Igbo Kola before? What is being called? The respect given to it, what it is meant for, who and who can cut or split it. In this video, we'll be discussing about all that. Alright? And with that being said, let's get into the video. So what we'll be teaching today is Igbo culture and traditions, which is Omenala Igbo. Alright, and the topic we have is Kola, which means Oji. Alright, Oji Kola is called Oji in Igbo land. In Igbo land, breaking kola nut is a sacred tradition used to welcome guests. It shows respect and hospitality and also symbolizes peace and unity. And before breaking it, a short prayer or blessing is said, asking for peace, unity, and long life. So what is kola meant for? It is used to welcome guests. When you have visitors, alright, presenting kola nut to them shows a sign of hospitality, that they are welcome to your house. And whenever kola is being presented, peace and unity is there. So when I say kola, I mean Oji, right? Oji Igbo. You know, there are different types of welcoming people, welcoming visitors, alright? Igbo people, they are known for when visitors visit them, they will present whatever they have to the visitors. After offering the person a seat to feel at home, they will now present whatever they have. If it's biscuits, if it's drinks, okay, if it's fruit, and sometimes they will just bring food. If they do not have other small ones, they will just go straight and bring food. But kola is being offered first before food will follow. Are you getting it? So that one is separate. We also call it what? Oji. Oji, alright? But that is not the main Oji Igbo. The one we are talking about right now is the main Oji Igbo, which is this. Okay? So who can split and break Igbo kola? Oji. Whereby kola is presented and there is an elderly person among the people, is being handed directly to the elders to break or to cut for people to eat. So they are being observed by presenting the kola to them to make a short prayer. And they are doing this because they know that that elderly person, no matter what, it will be difficult for the person to speak English. As they said, kola does not understand English. Kola does not understand grammar. Alright? If it's in Igbo, we will say Oji anaghị anụ bekee. So it is being handed over to an elder to make a short prayer. And again, giving it to the elder or the elders is also a sign of respect. Are you getting me? So have you ever seen where there is an occasion? Okay, maybe they are doing something like traditional marriage or any other occasion, but is hosted by Igbo people. Are you getting it? So during the time of serving kola, they will be looking for an elders among them and give the person the kola to split. All right? And then the person will start by, okay? And then they will not say, Oji anaghị anụ Oyibo. Even if they know how to speak English, okay, they will use Igbo. So they will say, they will do, they first of all clear their throat. The reason behind that is what I don't know. But they're always clearing their throat, all right, before the prayer. So, Oji anaghị anụ Oyibo, ekekere ụwa, which is the Lord, okay, or the creator of the world. Ụmụ gị abịala n'ihu gị n'ụbọchị taa. I won't be explaining that in English. Just be reading the caption. Ụmụ gị abịala n'ihu gị n'ụbọchị taa inye gị otuto. Anyị na-ekpe ekpere n'isi ọjị a. Anyị na-ekpe ka ata ya atata ogologo ndụ, atata ọganiru, ka atata ahụike, as he's mentioning them, ogologo people around will say, ise. You know, katata ahike, they will say, ise. Katata ọganihu, they will say, ise. Ka ụmụ anyị nọkwa ndụ wee leta anyị, they say, ise. Are you getting it? So after the prayer, they will now split the kola. Okay, they will split it into three, and the person that said the prayer will collect one. They will now call, is there any person from so state, or so village, or so kindred? The person will come and represent. They will give the person one. They will now call again. Is there someone from the maternal home of the bride or the groom? Are you getting it? That kind of thing. They will just be observing them one by one. Someone will come to represent, and they will hand over to the person. Are you with me? Then after that, then the other kola now that are inside tray is now being shared to other people, to everyone to eat. And from there, drinks will come in. So that is the Igbo tradition concerning Oji. Alright? So peace means udo. May peace be unto this house. Ka udo dịrị n'ụlọ a. Ọganihu is prosperity. Long life means ogologo ndụ. Nwa m, ị ga-ebi ogologo ndụ. They say, my child, you will live a long life. And then we'll have unity, which is ịdị n'otu. One mind, otu obi. Alright? Let us use one mind. Ka anyị, remember, let us, ka anyị, right? Ka anyị were otu obi. Let us use one mind. Good. This will be bringing us to the very end of this particular lesson. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, try and do so that we will be able to be going live soon. Alright? And in our live lessons, we'll be talking about culture and traditions, including Igbo proverbs. And I know you wouldn't want to miss that. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson. And please share this video and like it. Kemesia.